Yummy. Hi guys, welcome back to Eat Your Kappa with me, Nambi. And today I'm going to show you how to make those beautiful prawn dumplings that I just ate. So this is basically a home recipe. There's no hard and fast rule about the recipe. So you can go crazy and do whatever you like. And if you have some crazy ideas with the fillings, please let me know in the comment section below. The ingredients required are 250 grams of prawns, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of butter, or you can use sesame oil, some coriander. You can also make use of chives or spring onions. I got these beautiful prawns from the neighborhood fishmonger. Before we do anything, let's get down to shelling and deveining them. These prawns have a very soft shell. It's a bit slippery, but it's easy to remove. Remove the head and legs. Remove the covering on the body. Then pinch the tail or pull out the remaining. There you go, almost done. We still need to get rid of the gut that runs through its body. Take a sharp knife, run it along the back of the prawn all the way till the end. And voila, the gut discarded. Now to make the momo skin, we need about 2 cups of maida or all-purpose flour and salt. Knead it soft and let it rest for some time. Let's chop the shrimp. Don't grind it to a fine paste. You can chop them or use a blender to a coarse mixture. Chop some coriander. The ones I have at home are a couple of days old, not very fresh looking. They are still fine to work with. Now let's mix in our coriander, prawn, ginger garlic paste and salt, soy sauce, butter. Remember, you can add in more ingredients if you want. Roll out the dough evenly into a long tube and cut it to a required size for the skin. Let's quickly roll out our momo skins. Momo skins are commonly rolled in a way that it's thick in the center and thin on the edges. To fill, scoop in a spoonful of filling and then fold it. This way of folding of momo is called the rosebud. Now these momos can either be steamed or can be boiled in water directly. If you are boiling it, the momo starts floating when they are ready. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next episode with more amazing recipes from the Northeast. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like and share, and spread the love. Also follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye bye. Take care.